Hi, I'm Sato. Thank you for watching this video this time too. In this time, I will talk about 3 famous beaches in Miyako Island. To begin with, I will introduce与那覇前浜 Beach to everyone. Many people call this beach My Hama Beach, so in this video, let me call it so. My Hama Beach is said to be the most beautiful in the Eastern world. This beach is often featured in the media, so when it comes to Miyako Island, I think lots of Japanese will think of this beach. It is near the hotel called Tokyo Hotel, which is one of the famous hotels in Miyako City. You can look out over Kurima Island and Kurima Bridge from this beach. Plenty of people come to this beach and do marine activities during the busy season. Parasols are set up and I saw a net for beach volleyball. There's a restaurant where you can have a barbecue near the entry of this beach. Basically, you can do anything here. There's a lot of ways to enjoy. A free parking lot and toilets are furnished. And about shower rooms, you can use them for 100 yen. My Hama Beach is located in the southwest of Miyako City. It takes like 15 minutes from Miyako Airport and about just over 30 minutes from Shimoji Airport by car. So the distance is perfect for driving. I really want you to see it with your own eyes. The next one is Iin Gyaar Marine Garden. It lies in the south of Miyako City. It takes about 20 minutes from Miyako Airport and about 40 minutes from Shimoji Airport by car. I often see people enjoying kayak, SUP, and snorkeling during the busy season. This place has a parking lot and a toilet, but the parking is limited. It is possible that you may not be able to park. You can use the shower rooms for 100 yen. The natural inlet has developed here, enabling ocean conditions to be tranquil, so it's safer for people doing marine activities. This place has walkways. It's a little bit tough to go up and down the stairs, but the scenery after going up is so refreshing. This place must be good for people who want to come into touch with both of the greenness and the sea. I really recommend this place if you want to do marine activities in the calm sea. I believe that all of the people from children to adults can spend a great time here. Well, the last one is Aragusu Beach. This beach is famous for a snorkeling spot where you are very likely to see sea turtles. This beach is located in the east of Miyako City. It takes like 30 minutes from Miyako Airport and about 50 minutes from Shimoji Airport by car. Sea turtles like eating seagrass. Please turn left after you enter this beach, and there is an area they often appear. The middle in the screen is the area. This beach is deserted in the winter, but during the busy season, it's crowded with lots of people. It has a free parking lot, but in summer, it becomes full in no time. So in that case, you have to park in the paid parking lot. It costs 2,000 yen at a time as of 2025. Toilets and shower rooms are furnished. Some marine shops conduct tours to see sea turtles. If you take part in it, you will definitely meet the cute sea turtles. Alright everyone, how was this video? Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. See you next time. Bye.